Welcome to the Selfomy One tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to build a curriculum and assign learning activities to your students directly within a class, using 4 specialized content types. Currently, Selfomy One supports 4 types of content: lectures, including videos, slides, PDFs, or embedded applications, quiz assignment, aligned with IELTS, TOEIC, and SAT formats, practice exercises, with more than 11 different activity types, and mock test, for realistic test simulations. Let's start with part 1, creating and assigning lectures. To create a lecture, first go to the syllabuses page, where you can either create a new curriculum or edit an existing one. You can also access it through a class and edit its syllabus. Step 2. Within the syllabus interface, add a new section. Then, click the Create Content button and select Create a Lesson from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the creation window, fill in all required details such as the lecture name, description, assigned students, attached materials, and detailed content. Click Save to complete. Your students will then see the lecture in their syllabus. Next is part 2, creating and assigning quiz assignment. Step 1. Similar to lectures, go to the syllabuses page or edit the class syllabus. Step 2. Click the Create Content button and select Create a Quiz from the drop-down menu. In the creation window, fill in the required details, including the title, description, assigned students, time limit in seconds, deadline, and exam mode, either practice or real exam. Then, select a quiz set, optionally extract specific sections, and choose the grading mode: AI auto grading, AI grading with teacher review, or fully manual grading. Click Save to complete. For grading by test type, listening and reading use predefined answers, with 2 options: instant AI grading or AI grading with teacher review. Writing and speaking support AI grading with teacher review, or full manual grading by teachers. Now let's move to part 3, creating and assigning practice exercises. Step 1. Start again from the syllabuses page or the class syllabus. Step 2. Within a section, click Create Content, then select Create an Exercise. In the pop-up window, you can either choose an existing exercise or create a new one. You can also combine multiple activity types within a single exercise, such as multiple choice, fill in the blanks, matching, shadowing, dictation, vocabulary practice, flashcards, and more. Step 3. Each activity type comes with its own setup panel, including questions, answers, and descriptions. You can preview the exercise to see exactly how it will appear to students. Mode of grading assignments. Selfomy One offers 2 options: one-time grading, where students complete all questions before submitting; practice mode, where each question is graded instantly, with the option to retry incorrect answers. Finally, part 4, creating and assigning mock tests. Step 1. Go to the quizzes section, select mock test, then click Create Mock Test. Step 2. Enter the title, description, exam mode, schedule, select a quiz collection, and choose the grading mode. Then click Save. Step 3. Find the exam room you just created, copy the link, and send it to students so they can join the test. Regarding exam room status, there are 3 stages: not started, in progress, and completed. To manage attempts, all student submissions are displayed in real time. Teachers can review, grade, or approve results directly in the Attempts section. With Selfomy One, assigning learning content has never been more flexible and powerful. We hope this helps you manage your classes more effectively every day.